Welcome to Novo 27 Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada! This is Novo 27 Shop iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Orlando Pirates 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. Bakani unjani mfethu?
Hayi ngiyaphila Khosi njalo.
Sharp, thanks man. Uzwa kanjani game namhlanje?
Umoya uphasi. But isithokozo ukuthi amajita adlalile. Because idabi wonke umuntu udlalela ifamily yakhe yabona. So idaba ifana wonke amagame.
Yeah.
So amajita adlalile and noqala futhi ugoalkeeper yethu mina ngiyamqala uSipho esisikhathi yasikhosta because nangiqalile uSipho ukuthi bayamakhela esikhathini esiningi. Because iChiefs nakuthi uqalile itholile one chance yayisebenzisa and aqala namuhla na last game eRichards Bay Sipho bashe something yenzakala so yes disappoint every day muteretina siminye nakudlala Sundowns isikade ngiteam ukuthi sibisenzele umsebenzi sihlulekela uzenzele umsebenzi yeah but nami ngibone namakhosi ayadlali kakhulu adlalile amakhosi no goalkeeper khona ulo Peterson awusebenze kakhulu usebenzile ena two chances engwabonile la two chances leya silimazile but amajita adlalile ibhola linjalo kumele singapheli umoya ngesazi le Richards Bay ukuthi kwenzakalani but siyazi ukuthi Richards Bay yakuphunya ithemba liveli la injalo kancane ngehlale sina wonke ama games yeah because nabo iNations nayo ifuna ukuwina nathi sifuna ukuwina and ifuna ukudlala Confederation Cup ukudlala iChampions League so amajita adlalile lelo point lelo sizalithokoza yeah kusindane lo from Abuda branch
Danke Sindane. Hola.